This was me, broke, overweight, and living in a freezing cold house with 10 other people in the middle of an Irish winter. And I was stuck in a dead-end job making barely enough to survive. Every night I'd drink 2 bottles of wine while watching 2.5 Men because I was completely miserable. And the worst part, I felt like I was stuck on a treadmill, working just to survive, going through the same cycle over and over again, never actually moving forward. But fast forward a few years, and my life is completely different. And if I had to start all over again today, with no money, no connections, and no idea where to begin, here's exactly what I'd do. At first, I did what everyone else does. I searched for ways to make money online. I bought scammy courses, wasted money on junk advice, and got absolutely nowhere. But then I got my first big break when I read the book The Success Principles, and one idea changed everything. Success leaves clues. So I asked myself, who do I know that's already making money online? And by chance, my aunt called me, someone I hadn't spoken to in a long time, and told me she knew someone who was making money selling products on eBay and on Amazon. And that was the turning point for me. I became an apprentice in that business for almost a year, and I learned absolutely everything I could while living in my aunt's spare room. This one change in my life was when I stopped spinning my wheels and started making progress. The way I made my first few dollars online, and what I would do if I had to start all over again, is I learned how to sell things on Amazon. Most people waste months looking for the perfect business idea, waiting for the right moment and the right opportunity, as if one golden opportunity will magically change their lives. But the truth is, people who succeed don't wait, they start. They take action on something simple and proven and get momentum from there. That's why for me, selling on Amazon is the best first step. Instead of wasting months researching, you can start flipping proven products today. It's fast, low risk, and you don't need a big budget to start. While I'd make money on Amazon, I'd find another way to add more money into my investment pool. To do that, I'd learn a high value skill that most online businesses need. You see, there are thousands of YouTubers, influencers, and course creators who are sitting on audiences of thousands of people. Yet most of these people don't know how to turn attention into real money. Incredibly, most of them are not sending emails, building email lists, or trying to offer anything to their followers. So here's what I would do. I'd find an influencer or YouTuber that I really like. I'd subscribe to their email list to see, are they emailing anything out? And if they don't have an email list, that's really interesting. And if they're not consistently sending out high quality, high value emails to monetize their audience, I would see that as an opportunity for me. Now here's what makes this really interesting. Nowadays, we can use things like AI to write emails easier than ever before. You don't need to be a professional copywriter. All you need to do is upload examples of high quality emails and then guide AI in the right direction. We can then offer this as a service using AI to write high quality emails for YouTubers, influencers, and course creators, making them money, making us money, making it a win-win. For this model, you could charge $100 to $500 per email. This would bring in extra cash that would take some of my time while my Amazon business is growing. Hope you're enjoying the video so far. And by the way, if you comment 100K down below in the comments, I'll send you a free guide where we'll teach you way more about the different business models step by step. So comment 100K now, and let's get back to the video. Once I had a solid cash flow, I'd take my profits and I'd move it into Amazon Wholesale. Wholesale lets you order in bigger volumes, restock easily, and scale faster. With every wholesale order, I'd be bringing in about 15 to 20% profit on every order, and I'd take that and I'd reinvest everything to grow even faster. Now, I haven't forgotten about my AI-powered service. I would still continue to do that at the same time. And here's why. So imagine you start with $1,000 for your first wholesale order. Now, let's say after paying all your fees and your product cost, you grew your initial investment by 20%. And for easy calculation, let's imagine you did that every 30 days or every month, which is unlikely, right? It's unlikely you're going to sell out perfectly in 30 days, but let's just keep it a simple example. If you took that $1,000 and grew it by 20%, and then took that $1,200 and grew it by 20%, every month for 12 months, you'd end the year with $8,900 in your pocket. Now, in order to push that even faster, we would take the money that we're making from our AI service and we would bring up our investment levels, which would enable us to compound our total money a lot faster. So instead of just rolling your Amazon profits, you're injecting even more cash into your business with your service. This is going to enable you to place bigger orders, scale faster, and reach 6 figures a lot quicker. Scaling is not about finding some kind of shortcut, it's about stacking small wins consistently. So I'm making money initially through arbitrage, then I'm making it through my AI service, then I'm bringing in wholesale. Now it's time for me to start my own brand. You see, selling other people's products is great, but it's a bit like renting a house. You can make money, but you don't own the asset. But when you start your own brand, it's like buying the house. You can control it, you can build its value, and one day you can even potentially sell it for a big profit. By this point, I'd have cash flow, experience, and proof that I can sell. Now I'd be in a great position to launch the product, control the brand, and build something that lasts. You could spend the next 6 months trying to figure all this out, or you could comment 100K down below in the comments, where we're going to send you a guide that's going to teach you exactly how all of this works and so much more. And if you want to go deeper on what we talked about today, make sure to watch this video right now. It's going to bring you even deeper and teach you step by step.